Each year, an estimated 35 billion empty plastic water bottles find their way to a landfill. Fresh, pure drinking water from a bottleless water cooler is a sustainable choice for your home's healthy water supply. A bottleless water cooler uses state-of-the-art filters that deliver the most beneficial results. We researched and reviewed the 7 top-rated bottleless water coolers on the market. What are the best bottleless water coolers on the market? Number 1. Avalon A5. Number 2. Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless. Number 3. Avalon B8BLK. Number 4. Brio Self-Clean Bottleless Water Cooler. Number 5. Avalon A7. Number 6. Clover D7A. Number 7. DrinkPod Bottleless Water Cooler. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best water coolers. Avalon A5. Avalon A5 Review. Best Bottleless Water Dispenser. The Avalon A5 Bottleless Water Dispenser is impressive. It arrives with detailed instructions and illustrations for starters, plus a complete installation kit to instantly get fresh, pure hot and cold water flowing for cooking and drinking. Avalon A5 uses a dual filtration system. First, water flows through the sediment filter to remove dust, dirt, silt, and clay. Next, the carbon block filter removes pollutants and chemicals, plus metals such as lead. Each filter lasts approximately 6 months or filters up to 1,500 gallons. Avalon 5 also features a unique 3-temperature setting. Customize every drinking experience. The water temperature output is instant and consistent from the refreshing crisp cool setting to cool or piping hot for the best cup of tea. Never worry about expensive cleaning maintenance costs or downtime. A5's self-cleaning ozone feature constantly works to sanitize and purify the dispenser. Between uses, you don't have to worry about harmful germs and bacteria accumulation. Need a drink of water in the middle of the night? A built-in nightlight near the water spout makes it easy to dispense, and the Replace Filter Indicator light lets you know when it's time for a filter replacement. Avalon A5 is UL Energy Star approved. It has a dependable child safety hot water lock. Its easy installation and ease of use make the Avalon A5 the best bottleless water dispenser. A5 is an attractive all-stainless steel standalone model, weighs 44 pounds, and measures 13 by 12 by 41 inches. Warranty: 30-day risk-free. Love it or return it. Plus a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Pros: helpful and knowledgeable customer support. Self-cleaning ozone filter indicator light. Efficient and dependable filtration. Cons: no reverse osmosis filtration. Dispenser and compatible filter issues. Slow refill rate. Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless. Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless. Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Review. Best bottleless water dispenser for office. If your office or work-from-home space needs a refreshing upgrade, the Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Water Dispenser is the clear winner. Feel confident knowing that each cup of water dispensed through the Brio passes through a built-in reverse osmosis filter. Unbeatable filtration technology is guaranteed to remove sediment, foul odors, taste, and harmful chemicals and pesticides. The Brio Commercial uses a 4-stage filtration system. Stage 1 hoses the premium quality sediment filter. Stage 2 removes harmful VOCs, tastes, and odors using carbon block filtrations. Water passes through a high rejection reverse osmosis filter to remove 99% of contaminants and metals. Refined coconut carbon fibers round out Stage 4 to remove any last traces of impurity and awful taste. Brio's built-in one-touch self-cleaning ozone sanitizer feature lets you spend less time cleaning the water dispenser and more time making a great cup of piping hot coffee. If you have time to install quick Connect 4 filters and attach a water line, you've got your Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Water Dispenser up and running in 5 minutes. Crafted using only the finest 304 stainless steel and quality materials, the Brio Commercial Bottleless Water Dispenser weighs 53.9 pounds and measures 45 by 17 by 14 inches. Warranty: free from defects and workmanship, plus parts replacement within the first year with proof of purchase. Pros: easy filter access, dependable and consistent hot or cold temperature control, designed to perform for years. Cons: pro installation required without a designated water line. Daily water purge up to 1 gallon per day. Filters only sold as a set. Avalon B8BLK. Avalon B8BLK Review. Best countertop bottleless water cooler. The Avalon is an attractive, matte black countertop bottleless water dispenser and will match any decor. Detailed instructions with illustrations offer quick installation, Avalon B8BLK uses a dual filtration process, multi-layer sediment to remove dirt, silt, and carbon block to remove lead, rust, bacteria, pesticides, and harmful VOCs. Avalon B8BLK offers your home or office fresh, healthy, filtered, toasty hot, and refreshing cold water on demand. You will significantly reduce, if not eliminate, your bottled water expense. A built-in LED nightlight frames the water spouts for accessible water dispensing at night. A replacement light lets you know when the filters need to be replaced. UL Energy Star approved, the Avalon is intelligently designed to use less power. The unique child safety hot water spout lock and a generous 7.5 inches serving space below the water spouts round out the impressive features. 14 by 12 by 19 inches and weighs 30 pounds. All these features and technology make the Avalon B8BLK the best countertop bottleless water cooler. Warranty: 1 year limited manufacturer's warranty within 30 days of purchase and registration. Pros: 6-month, 1,500 gallon filter life. Reversible door hinges. Min max temperature 47 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons: constantly replacement filters. Challenging fit under some cabinetry. Increased energy costs. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler Review. Best self-cleaning bottleless water dispenser. Indulge in Brio and experience water filtered to provide the purest hydration. The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler uses pre-carbon and sediment filters to work in 2 decisive stages. A sediment filter removes the common contaminants, such as dust and rust. In the second stage, the carbon block filter purifies and dramatically improves the taste and removes all the offensive odors. Crisp cold, room temperature, or piping hot, the Brio is perfect for ice-cold lemonade, a refreshing drink after a workout, or a hand-warming cup of cocoa or coffee on a chilly winter morning. Brio makes nighttime trips to the kitchen a breeze with a built-in bright light that illuminates the entire dispensing area. Spend less time lugging cases of water from the car to the pantry and reduce waste and the time spent recycling. The Brio uses LED UV light. It is self-cleaning and automatic, giving you peace of mind to ensure every cup of water is filtered, fresh, and healthy. Made using a combination of black matte painted and classic brushed stainless steel, the best self-cleaning bottleless water dispenser by Brio measures 44.7 by 16.6 by 14.7 inches and weighs just shy of 50 pounds. Warranty: 1 year from the date with proof of purchase. Pros: beautiful stainless steel design, tap water bypass button, produces high quality water. Cons: cold or room temperature share the same reservoir, requires a dedicated water connection and power outlet. Cooling unit freezes over occasionally. Avalon A7. Avalon A7, best hot and cold bottleless water dispenser. If your home or office has the Avalon freestanding water dispenser, everyone gets to enjoy the benefits of the best tasting water. The A7's simple, elegant stainless steel design uses separate press paddle spouts to provide both steaming hot and icy cold water on demand. Water passes through a 2-stage filtration system and flows out at the ideal temperatures. Avalon has a significant vertical dispensing point that delivers hot and cold simultaneously. Easy to install in just a few simple steps, the Avalon A7 includes detailed instructions and illustrations. Avalon's helpful customer support team is available to answer questions. 20 feet of PE pipe is included, so that you can install the A7 just about anywhere. Dual-stage Avalon water filtration technology consists of multi-layer sediment filter and a carbon block filter. Avalon filters are guaranteed to last 6 months or 1,500 gallons. UL Energy Star approved, and a unique child safety hot water spout lock lets the kiddos use the dispensary safely. A nightlight makes the dispensary spout visible when you need that late-night water run. The filter indicator lights up when the filters need to be replaced. The built-in self-cleaning ozone treatment sanitizes and purifies, preventing the accumulation of harmful germs and bacteria. Get the best water dispenser technology. Get Avalon's top-rated best hot and cold bottleless water dispenser hydration station. The Avalon A7 measures 13 by 12 by 41 inches and weighs 41 pounds. Warranty: 30-day money-back guarantee, plus 1 year limited manufacturer's warranty. Pros: triple hot, room and cold temperature controls. Dispenses hot and cold water simultaneously. Install and dispense in 20 minutes. Cons: slow pour rate. Healthier than a drinking fountain. Requires manual monthly deep cleaning. Clover D7A. Clover D7A Review. Best Clover Water Dispenser. Everything you need in a water dispenser shows up in the Clover D7A. The delivery is nothing short of pure, delicious water, complemented by commercial-grade water filtration. Get the D7A out of the box, use the installation kit with easy-to-follow instructions, have the elegant design up and running, and complement any home, kitchen, or office style. The Clover Bottleless Cooler has an instant cold faucet and a child-resistant hot water faucet. Water stays fresh in the 1-gallon sealed stainless steel reservoir until you're ready for a drink. The stainless steel hot water tank holds 1/3 of a gallon and dispenses at 180 degrees. Clover D7A is a one-piece, durable, easy-to-clean, freestanding, factory-sealed, UV-resistant cabinet. The lift-out dip tray is dishwasher safe, and all the inclusive tubing is food grade. Clover's water filter is tested to NSF Performance Standard 42 and Standard 53, and the filter life is 300 gallons. Inside the Clover, you'll find a top-quality 178 compressor and lead-free components as defined by the Safe Drinking Water Act. At a mere 30 pounds and measuring 12.5 by 12.4 by 39.3 inches, the Clover D7A is the best Clover water dispenser. Warranty: 1-year warranty plus replacement parts if found defective. Pros: CSA and Energy Star certified. Twist-off easy change filters with auto shutoff. Filters independently certified to 1,500 gallons. Cons: challenging setup and installation. Extremely slow fill rate. Condenser runs loud when refilling. DrinkPod Bottleless Water Cooler. DrinkPod Bottleless Water Cooler Review. Best Touchless Bottleless Water Dispenser. DrinkPod has a simple motto: never buy bottled water again. Imagine getting 7,200 half-liter plastic water bottles out of a trio of DrinkPod's Ultra 3 filter pods. The mechanics of the DrinkPod include 2 easy touchless control paddles for cold and hot water, a child safety feature on the hot temperature control, a steady stream of deliciously filtered water. The DrinkPod's profile is sleek, the perfect kitchen complement. The simplistic design features an attractive white faux lacquered veneer with an elegant circular blue LED accent light. Replace the bulky water cooler with the space-consuming 5-gallon water bottles and end the back pain of lifting them. The water stays fresh and protected inside separate 304 stainless steel 1.32-gallon hot and 0.79-gallon cold water tanks. DrinkPod provides a steady, uninterrupted stream of deliciously fresh water. The filtration system uses 3 dedicated filter pods, a chemical organic scrub, ultra scrub, and polishing scrub. Weighing in at just over 60 pounds, the DrinkPod measures 10.24 by 17.72 by 43.7 inches and has a 6.25-inch dispense height. Warranty: a 1-year standard warranty with 2, 3, and 4-year protection plan add-ons for purchase. Pros: ice cafe ports to connect to 2 additional appliances. Perfect for instant hot drinks and soups up to 185 degrees. Sleek modern design complements every home or office. Cons: small amount of leakage when changing out the filters. Hot water boiler not consistent. Overuse of hot water creates noise. Looking to learn more about the top-rated bottleless water coolers, including price and additional reviews? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying a bottomless water cooler. 91% of all the plastic water bottles purchased annually do not get recycled. On average, a plastic bottle takes 450 years to decompose. That equates to a severe global sustainability issue. Buying a bottomless water cooler with a filter life of 1,500 gallons eliminates almost 24,000 plastic bottles per year per household. It's an intelligent purchase with lasting results. Make sure to measure the height between the surface of your counter and the bottom of your cabinets if you're considering a countertop bottleless water dispenser. Find a dedicated water line and an electric outlet that are proximal to one another. Check the power consumption. Hot and cold dispensers use more power and trip circuits if they are not grounded in a dedicated outlet. Avoid wasting time adding extra feet of tubing or making any unexpected cosmetic changes to your countertops or walls. Look for a model with an all stainless steel construction versus a molded plastic outer shell. Check the space between the drip tray and the water outlet. There should be enough space to allow you to fill water bottles and tall glasses. Make sure the nozzles that dispense the water fit the inside diameter inside of the neck of a water bottle. Look for bottleless water dispensers that are low to no maintenance. The better the filters, the less they need to be changed. An additional self-cleaning ozone feature adds less worry and the monthly dread of taking the dispenser apart and doing the heavy cleaning. Drinking enough water every day is the essence of living a good, healthy life. Encouraging that habit by using a quality water dispenser that gives you the benefit of pure filtered hot and cold water on demand. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and be sure to post comments or questions about bottleless water coolers. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.